Welcome to How2Dyno. Today I would like to inform the public about a recurring concern. Recently, various users have received private messages from bots impersonating Dyno bot, indicating that Dyno is offering a free 1-year premium subscription due to bogus reasons. If you receive a message like this, please do not click on any of the links within the message and protect yourself by blocking the sender. Dyno does not inform the public by mass direct messaging its users. Dyno officials will send announcements through their support server or on Twitter. If you are uncertain about something, feel free to ask a staff member in the Dyno support server or via their Twitter handler. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.